Hello everyone, myself Anuj Kohli and I would be taking our sessions at Madrid Software Training Solutions. Need of data analytics. Real-time analysis is an emerging tool that is changing the traditional ways enterprises do business. Instead of reacting to a situation, we are proactively anticipating problems using predictive modeling techniques. One of the key reasons for success of any data analytics lies in the fact that it can be applied to any industry where data is captured and maintained regularly. Data is present in scattered form, which has missing values and outliers. We need to treat them and transform them to correct form for any machine learning algorithm. Analytics helps us to find the hidden patterns in the data based on our observations. We take decisions which are fruitful for the company. Our applications across industries, academics, healthcare, consulting, finance are the leading examples for our applications. What is R? R is an integrated suite of software facilities for data manipulation, calculation, and data visualization. It is a combination of programming and statistical language. Features of R: fast calculation, extremely compatible, open source, cross-platform support, wide packages, and large standard libraries which help us to solve complex problems quite easily. History of R. It was created in Auckland, New Zealand. Project considered in 1992. Initial version released in 1995. Stable beta version developed in 2005. Created by Ross Ihaka and Robert Gentleman. R was named after the first names of the two programmers mentioned above. Why learn R? R is an open source language, cross-platform compatible, advanced statistical and language, outstanding graphs can be achieved through ggplot library, relates to other languages, vast community, support extensions, extremely comprehensible, flexible, and fun to learn. Now we need to understand the fundamental constructs of our programming language, which can be divided into variables, data operators, and data types, which can be further divided as numeric and characters and logical for variables. Now data operators can be subdivided as arithmetic, relational, and logical operators. Data types are the carriers for the input and output of values in R. Vectors, list, matrices, data frames, arrays are used for the same. Now factors are a special case for categorical variables. Now we need to dive deep into the basics of R. The salient points: variables are the reserved memory locations to store value. Vectors can store a sequence of numbers, characters, logical operators, and these can be stored of one variable type only. But list can store multiple variable types. They are also R objects, just like vectors. Both list and vectors are data types that have 1D layout. Arrays are the R object which can store data in more than 2 dimensions. Matrices are the R objects in which elements are stored in 2-dimensional layout. Data frame is a 2D structure in which each column contains one type of variable and rows contain one set of values from each column. They are the most commonly used form for data analysis. Factors are the data objects, which is used to categorize the data and store it in different levels. The methodology adopted in R to solve real life case studies. Now, in order to do that, we need to first define the problem. Then we need to import the data from different databases, flat files, either in the form of CSV, Excel, or any URL link. Now, data preparation and cleaning. In this step, we treat missing values, outliers, transform the data types to correct form for application applying to any machine learning algorithm is the key component. Exploratory data analysis. In this step, we develop a greater understanding of the data through univariate and bivariate analysis. Model development and evaluation. Develop different models as per the business requirement, and then select the best model suited for our business is the key component in this step. We also divide the data in test and train form to cross-validate our results. Now, in the next step of model improvement, we fine-tune the model to achieve higher accuracy. The deployment is the last step of the process in which the model is finally transferred to the production environment and put into practice. Key areas where our professionals are in demand: financial sectors, banking and insurance domain, health organizations, manufacturing and operations, academics, government departments, retail and marketing, and real estate. Job profile open to our professionals: data scientist, business analyst, data visualization expert, quantitative analyst. Lot of MNC companies are looking for our professionals. So opportunities with R are in abundance. Companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, American Express, Paytm, and many more are looking for such professionals. Thank you. We welcome you to come and join Madrid Software Training Solutions and be a part of this revolution.